Hey y'all, I'm Jeremiah with MarineMax in Sarasota, Florida. Guys, we're standing on board a brand new 2025 Sea Ray 280 SLX, and around us, this is our location for the now infamous annual AquaPalooza event. Guys, this boat is so incredible for that event because one of the things that they did is they were really big on shade. You can see I'm shaded. It's the middle of June. It is a beautiful sunny day. One of the cool things about this soft top is this slide out sunshade in the rear that goes out over your sun pad. It makes this boat so usable here in the Florida summer. Of course, the seating throughout this boat is incredible. This is a stone interior option boat. It does have your rear table. It does have the optional refrigerator underneath the helm seat. And guys, this is a double wide helm seat. For those of us who have people we really like in our life, this is really cool. Come up and check out the helm though. This is one of the things that separates the SLX from the rest of the Sea Ray line. This helm has been given an incredible treatment. Large 12-inch twin screens, touchscreen stereo, and joystick. You have to remember in the back of your mind it's a joystick boat, and that is a phenomenal piece of the option set. Bathroom, sea decked, great stainless faucet, vacuum flush head. Guys, if you have to use a bathroom, that's a really good place to do it. And here in the bow, this is a very comfortable place. The SLXs ride very, very well, even in choppy water. With armrests, big loungers forward, a table mounts here below my leg, cup holders. This boat is an incredibly comfortable place for you and the family on the water. If you ever want to test it out, come down and check us out at MarineMax in Sarasota, or come join us at AquaPalooza one of these years. We'll see you on the water soon.